ICQ messaging service. However, after a trademark dispute, it was renamed to QQ. By deeply understanding the preferences and cultural nuances of their users, Tencent created a product that resonated more deeply than any foreign competitor could. This local knowledge became Tencent's secret weapon, enabling them to outmaneuver Microsoft, even with their massive resources. Yet, Tencent's power isn't just about providing services, it's also about control. The Chinese government has leveraged Tencent's platforms to monitor and suppress dissent. Take, for instance, the story of Huang Xi, a human rights activist who used WeChat to communicate with others about sensitive topics. His private messages were intercepted by the authorities, leading to his arrest and a 12-year prison sentence. For Huang and many others, Tencent represents not just innovation, but also oppression. But this is just the surface. Tencent's control isn't confined to China's borders.